Currently staying at the Grand Hyatt in San Francisco, and I'm about to head out to the office today to do some work as an intern in the city. The morning has been just lovely. I woke up, did a workout, walked downtown and tried out this new coffee shop, and I ended up getting this really yummy spinach feta pastry. So I'm definitely feeling nourished, ready for the day. My mom is gonna meet me in the city once I get off of work today, and then she and I have some exciting plans tonight that I'm not going to tell you quite yet. You'll just have to wait and see. This is the last of everything that I'll be needing. It's a 5-minute walk, so I think I should be okay. But if I feel unsafe at all, then I'll just Uber. But yeah, let's head out. If I can make a reservation for 9 people tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Auntie Phil's got the same pair.
You got new shoes?
I bought 3 pairs.
What? Wait, let me see.
She bought 2 of the same of mine.
What brand is it?
Nationality.
Wait, these are really cute.
I want to try it. It's so comfortable.
Yeah, let me try. Alright, yes. I just got done working. I walked back to the hotel and now the fun begins. Just kidding, it actually was really fun today. I love being with the team and it just feels nice to actually be in person and not have to do things remote.
We're gonna go see the Golden State Valkyries?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, the Valkyries. She wants me to try on her shoe. Let's see.
I talked her into buying things out of her comfort zone.
Good. Everyone needs that. It's kind of pointy-toed. Is it supposed to be like that?
Yeah, I love it. It's so different than any other one. Tell me what you, since you have my Reebok, I don't have, isn't that cute?
Oh yeah.
Here, try this. How does it
It's okay.
feel?
I'll just do one. It's nice. It's weird because I can feel like the front.
Yeah. I love it.
I'm going to show you guys the outfit that I'm thinking of wearing tonight. Obviously, because we're going to a basketball game, I feel like jeans are kind of just a must. Jeans and sneakers. So I'm going to be wearing the exact same sneakers that I had on today. These are the Abercrombie Ultra Low-Rise jeans. Absolutely love them. If I could put anybody on them, I would put the whole world. And then for the top, I have this fun little wraparound one. This one's from Urban Outfitters. Top looks like this, and then there's this little pieces of fabric that kind of wrap around your waist and then you tie it off to the side. I might redo my makeup today because I feel like I look really sweaty and gross. Okay, we're in the Uber right now on our way to Chase Stadium. Mom, are you excited?
Very.
I can't wait to see what kind of food they have. Let's be real, that's all I think about. I ended up doing a little messy updo. These are my favorite because I literally just take a ponytail, wrap my hair in a little thing, and then just bobby pin randomly. And that always does the trick. There's some fun, colorful steps right there.
A lot of murals.
A lot of murals. Alright, we got chicken tenders, salad. There's a whole lot more. There's like pizza and everything, but what did you get?
Garlic fries, veggies, Caesar salad, and chicken tenders.
Rise and shine, everyone. Good morning. Mother, how did you sleep?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Yes.
Immediately after the basketball game, I had to shower because I had all this hairspray in my hair from my little updo that I did. So I showered, had a really good night's sleep, and then this morning I told my mom that I wanted to take her to one of my favorite biscuit sandwich places in the city. It's called Devil's Teeth Baking Company, and I mapped it out. It's about a 17-minute walk. So we're gonna get our steps in this morning, and I'll get to spend some time with her and enjoy a little meal before she goes back to Mill Valley. After the game was done yesterday, Ollie was so sweet and had these little goodie bags for everyone, and this is always one of my favorite parts about going to these events, is just seeing like the little things that they curate together afterward. There's this little tote bag. It's adorable and the perfect size, and how cute is this little pin also? Inside the bag was obviously all of these gummies. There's probiotics, sleep, stress, laser focus, more sleep. There was also another cookie, but I ate it. And then there was this hat. I'm really excited to wear this. I'll probably honestly wear it on the flight back home. Thank you so much, Ollie, if you guys are watching this, for inviting me and having my mom come with me as well. So much fun. I've never been to a women's professional basketball game, and I definitely will be back. Mark my words. Good morning, good morning. We're getting food because food is fuel.
Breakfast is so important. Make sure you never skip it.
Thank you. Alright, we just got back to the hotel. We're finally gonna eat. I tried to do that thing where I go no directions all the way back to the hotel. And
She did a decent job.
we made it like
Halfway.
halfway. Yeah. Okay, here's yours. I just get the classic breakfast sandwich, but my mom did the one that's kind of like,
The special.
yeah, the special one.
And the special just means it's with avocado and pepper jack cheese, but I asked to have cheddar cheese instead of pepper jack.
I'm so excited to see her reaction, and they're still nice and warm. I'm gonna put my hair up actually. About to get.
Oh, I need a knife. This is messy.
That's how I do it. You really get your money's worth. That's the thing. Yeah.
Look at this. Very good. I think mine's messy. Oh my goodness. What do you think of that?
Guys, this has to win like best outfit to pick up your Uber Eats order.
Hey, I've done some pretty heinous Uber Eats pickups before, so.
The best comfy outfit.
Oh, what's up, vlog?
You're balanced on a water bottle right now.
I like the water bottle.
I was just craving an acai bowl, but I had to do an ingredient check to make sure that there was no nuts in the granola. Of course, the spoon looks like this.
Little wooden plastic spoon.
It's like bamboo, I think.
Well, it's all not enough room for both beer anymore. Is it good?
Oh yeah. Look, I got
Hey,
this
you brought
hat.
me- I had a yogurt bowl for breakfast today.
Really? Look,
I did.
I got this hat.
No, it's a Valkyrie's hat.
It's a Valkyrie's hat. Oh, yeah.